Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Seal Bay Regional Nature Park is a beautiful natural area near Courtenay, British Columbia. The park features a regenerated second-growth forest with rare plants like hardhack wetlands, trembling aspen, Pacific crabapple, and slough sedge. Visitors can explore various ecosystems, including coastal areas, forests, ravines, and marshes. The park offers over 40 kilometers of trails suitable for hiking, biking, and horseback riding. One popular route is the 1.4-mile Coupland Loop, an easy trail that takes about 37 minutes to complete. The shoreline stretches nearly 1 kilometer, providing opportunities to see marine life such as seals and sea lions. Birdwatchers can spot bald eagles, great blue herons, and various songbirds.
Thank you very much.
Seal Bay Regional Nature Park is a peaceful destination for nature lovers, offering diverse wildlife and scenic landscapes.
Thanks for watching!